sturgeon spearing, there's a shit ton of sturgeon out here. I'm just going to show you what's in line. The line and the sturgeon waiting to be weighed in by the DNR.
I know.
Beth.
Yes, hey, Mark Carey. Welcome to Sturgeon Spearing.
Did you have fun?
I had a great time.
Are you going to come next year?
Hell yeah.
There's
I'm coming back tomorrow. I'm so excited. Don't talk to me about next year.
This is my fish in line, dwarfed by this kid's this 16-year-old's mammoth capture.